One picture circulate on the internet, good and clean and shave and Brazilian wax. When Ninjaman see the picture, must have called me. Level, text me, WhatsApp me.
Angel, you now have nothing about you. You walk and sell your body like Rizzler and cigarette.
Ninjaman, me take a two Sunday.
Now, the first woman I fall in love with, her name was Colleen Smith, see? She broke my heart.
Hey boy, Harvey, listen, I heard Angel fuck my like that.
I met Michelle now then. I get to find out that she's not a girl that keep two men at the same time.
Fool.
She can't deal with it, she get mixed up.
See her, cash, blood clot. Angel never rate you. She only date you. Which girl no want a puppet and a blood clot marriage, idiot clown?
Baby, I love you with all my heart.
Wake up, idiot. You're a meal ticket.
Angel that.
Oh,
So, yeah. So when we got the wedding. Yes, the wedding started on.
My grandfather always tell me that it's better to beg forgiveness than ask permission.
Of course.
That's why Mr. Beenie I kiss up the tile.
I want to that little blood clot muppet. I want to this demented crackhead.
You see, I like dirty trunk for them. We are chat about and it done about no war. You tell them. And me go long for release, and me hard for defeat. So me tell the professor, let's see one hole and sleep. Cause enough for disease, me status increase. Enough of them a slide like them walking and this. Now me tell them, people love me, me never compel them. And as long as me a choose to shell them. So all the haters I go and go to hell then. Hoy, Ninjaman me back congregation. Bring the lyrics to the young generation.
How much shoot me help? Me not help no more young artists. We gonna make nobody diss me and get to again. Me selfish, born to selfish. No me help the people then. So no one go on like say me are the wrong one. I all the one. I don't know about the two. Listen me. Rough cut of my bands, you take it up too. Angel is my girl, you take her too. And no Cartel is my son, you wanna take him too? What up? Well, can this dread boy get any mother? Talk about alliance murder his brother. See the accusation machine in a bother. Oh, you desperate boy for you climb the ladder. Can this dread boy get any dumber? Twist up things, kill him on them and you come up. All in up and you watch him out. Yeah, brother.
Drunk for them. We are chat about and me done. And me now go reach nowhere. Or me poor out. Or me I go to prison to tell you. Think me gone but I'm back to claim it. Some of them are high but they can't maintain it. Part of the time but they can't obtain it. Ninjaman come to tell everybody diddy. Bountykiller, beenieman and diddy. Don't tell us I got somebody diddy. Long time ago I tell everybody diddy. And any boy that did it all the organ. Them before they will do them organ. Don't vice me them and jump on the organ. We take the business and I got like a damn. We keep back on the sideline. Turn up!
January 1st. My name book feet. Ninjaman, they call me name, so I have to come up here. When I kill Ninjaman, say kill him. Left. I don't want to keep kill Ninjaman, say do it. Mr. Len, give me one money now. Me hear some change your toes over here, give it. Remember some Marco in school fee and all this, something. Big up my baby father, beenieman. Mr. Len, give me one money now. More money. Ladies, you don't agree with me? I don't want to keep killing them. More blood feet money.
Hey, Angel, listen to me. Angel, if you're killing Ninjaman, you're in a history. You're the first Ninjaman, make Ninjaman bad free. So Angel, me why you come and listen to me. If Ninjaman dead by 7:30, you get $10, $20, $30, $40, $50, $50.
Yeah!
I'm posting a cheap.
Everyone, Ninjaman. Me take a two Sunday. Beenie and Bounty. It was thing know my 2 man them in the dance hall. People, who see the picture? One picture circulate on the internet, boy, so. Boy, you good and clean and shave and Brazilian wax. When Ninjaman see the picture, he must have called me. Level. Text me. WhatsApp me. Ninjaman. Me take a 2 son them. Me can't take the father. Ninjaman. If me got me tail, in a me panty, I feel me when you can't run come.
Alright. Angel. Listen up. Just this I put on without no bump on it. I want to roll out me house stomp on it. And beat it like bump on it. Beenie man never do it. Angel. Say me no easy. Me big up your pony, me big up me and speedy. Me nah go run left it like the one beanie. Me big up and me terrible like the one body. We give a hand and the man with that body.
She tell me if more me can't get it back. And the girl try show me where it back. But the only thing make me not check it back. Anything me level. She said the whole room know the corner the best. Me don't pan the street, she said corner the rest. Me don't kiss the lips, she said one on the breast. She run round the house, my charm are the best. Touch up on the nipple, make she whine and pickle. Stick it in her heart just like an ice pickle. Just like okra, the killer body simple pedal and wheel it like bicycle. Dump. Level. All of the man they know you know work number 2. You know work second. Say bullet. All of the gal may not pick up no dirty gal just say bullet. Level. Any man will pick up another man trash and a hide. You know what that mean? Him is a wannabe. The girl run me down, mad pan the lane. Tell me say she miss me long sugar cane. She miss how me make juice flow like a rain. The little tiny bit just I get to her brain. Too much dining, not enough whining. When she ready for the bump and grinding, the little beenie bitch she can't find him. The Patrick must take him and hide him. So if